Good morning, everybody. I wanted to share something with you I learned from Tony Robbins' Time to Rise Summit yesterday. This is a free event. You can still join. It's 3 days, started yesterday. You still have today and tomorrow. It's from 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock. And if you sign up for VIP, which is like $50, you can actually get the recording too. But in that specific time. So he's talking about change and being stuck. And how many of us are there right now that we're stuck? We're not actually physically stuck. We tell ourselves that, but we're really not physically stuck. You wouldn't be able to move your feet. So it's a mindset. Somewhere in our thinking and our feeling, we're not moving forward because of a pattern. Now, he talks about archetypes. Archetypes are kind of like these meta personas. And if you think of a common one is people ask themselves, what would Jesus do? And we start tapping into, okay, well, what would Jesus do in this situation? What we don't do, there's two other components to that we're missing, is, well, I'll run through the archetypes real quick. So he uses the archetype of a warrior. The warrior is the action taker, the dominator is going to smash through whatever adversity is that he's confronted by or she's confronted by. There's the archetype of the lover, completely opposite, completely different than a warrior, right? Something that's just more loving, open, heart-centered. There's an archetype of the wizard. The wizard you can think of as like the magic wand, and it can just change a prince and a toad into a prince. And then there's the archetype of the sovereign. This is the king or the queen, right? This is the decision maker. And you can tap into any of these if you're stuck and find out where you're stuck, tune into a specific archetype, and then you feel it out first. You always want to start with your physiology. So anyway, I was thinking about this, and I was thinking about somebody who I really thought would benefit from this. And my mind started thinking they would just turn it down. There's no way. This is a person who I think could benefit from growth, who wants change, but they wouldn't participate in something. They're stuck. You guys resonate with that at all, ever? You want to grow, you want change, but someone presents an opportunity and you shut it down because you're just too uncertain about it. You have your reasons, thinking, I don't know who this person is, I don't have the time right now, I don't know what this program or practice really consists of. There's too much uncertainty, enough uncertainty for you that you shut it down, and then you stay in that cycle. So maybe that uncertainty is the area that you need to confront. And in doing so, then something like this would be beneficial. So check out Time to Rise Summit. It's more than just being stuck and change. I mean, this is an awesome event. He goes into so many different areas, but I wanted to share with you, I wanted to point out anyway, if you are stuck and you are wanting to change and you're limiting yourself, then you can tap into an archetype that can help move you through whatever area you're getting stuck. And it's just going to start with your physiology. You know, where's my breathing when I'm stuck? Where's my breathing when I'm open? And where are my shoulders? Where's my head? Where am I looking? What's my focus on? And what are the thoughts associated with that focus? And what are the particular words that are going on, both when I'm stuck and also when I actually challenge myself and advance through adversity? What are the different language patterns from each one? Where's my physiology between each one? What am I focusing on when I'm stuck? What am I focusing on when I'm moving forward? Okay. I'll leave you with that. I'll talk to you guys soon. And if you have your own ways of getting unstuck, please share them below because we can all benefit from what other people are doing as well. All right? Talk to you guys soon. Cheers.